Identifying solutions to a linear inequality in two variables. For each ordered pair x and y, determine whether it is the solution to the inequality 4x plus 8y is less than negative 8. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is determine what is by itself, because that's your reference point for that particular problem. So the negative 8 is by itself. So I'm going to come out here and make a number line with negative 8. And for it to be true, when we do a calculation, it has to be, see how this arrow is pointing to the left? So in order to be true, it has to be to the left of negative 8. Okay, so I'm going to take the part that's not by itself, 4x plus 8y, and I'm going to substitute in, this is x and this is y, so I'm going to substitute in 6 and negative 4. So x is 6 and y is negative 4. Order of operations says you have to do multiplication first, so 4 times 6 is 24, and 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Okay, so the signs are different, so you have to subtract them. You do 32, take away 24 is 8. However, the 32 is larger, it's negative, so that gives you a negative 8. So if we were putting that point on the number line, it would be right here at negative 8. Well, that's not to the left of negative 8. That actually equals negative 8. And this inequality is not underlined, so it can't be equal. So this is a no. Okay, let's try the next one. X is negative 6 plus 8 times y is 0. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24 plus 8 times 0 is 0, so that equals negative 24. So that would be, if this is negative 8, it would be somewhere over here. So it is to the left. So this one's a yes. Okay, 1, 2. 4 times x is 1 plus 8 times y is 2. Okay, I can automatically stop there because everything's positive, so it's going to be a positive answer, which is somewhere over here. So yeah, that's a no. If you're looking for a negative number and everything's positive, you can stop. You don't have to do it all. Okay, 4 times x is negative 7 plus 8 times y is 5. So 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. And 8 times 5 is a positive 40. So that's 40, take away 28, which is 12. And the 40 is larger, it's positive. So you have a positive answer here. So that's a no. We actually could have stopped there once we realized the signs were different and the largest number was positive. So the only one that works is negative 6, 0 for that problem. Okay, the next one, again, you have to look and see what is by itself. Y is by itself this time, so I'm not going to make a general number line over here. I'm going to have to make a separate number line for each one of these. I'm going to take the part that's not by itself, and that's the part I'm going to work with. So 2 times x, x is the first number, so 2 times negative 9 plus 1. So I have negative 18 plus 1. That's equal to negative 17. Now let's do my number line. My reference point is y, so my reference point is negative 17. And I got negative 17. Okay, this inequality is not underlined, so that means it cannot be equal to negative 17. So this is a no. Okay, the next one. 2 times negative 8 plus 1. Negative 16 plus 1 is negative 15. Got my negative, sorry. Negative 15, the reference point is the y value, so the reference point in this problem is negative 20. And we want it to go left. We want it to be to the left. So negative 15 if 0 is here, this is negative 20, negative 15 would be over here somewhere. Okay, that's not to the left. We want things going to the left because of the less than. So this is a no. Okay, 2 times 7 plus 1, 14 plus 1 equals 15. My reference point is the y value, so my reference point in this one is 19, and we want it going to the left because it's less than. And 15 would be somewhere over here, so yeah, that works. And the next one, 2 times 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. My reference point is the y. My reference point is 7. And we want it to be to the left of 7. Well, 5 would be somewhere over here. So yeah, that's to the left of 7. So see, you can have more than one correct answer. Okay, the next one. Oh, x is to the right of negative 3. So negative 3 is my reference point. And because this is going to the right, I want to go to the right. Okay, so you're literally just looking at the x value and seeing if that's to the right. So negative 4 would be over here. Well, that's not to the right. 3 would be a positive number. Yes, that's to the right of my reference point. This is the reference point here. Negative 9. Negative 9 would be somewhere over here. So no, that's not to the right. And negative 3. Well, if this inequality were underlined, then we could include negative 3. But it's not underlined, so we can't include it.